Heard about the incredible strides Google AI is making in medicine? Let's dive into how this cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing healthcare and what we can expect in the future. What is Google doing in medicine? Google AI is taking a multifaceted approach to transform healthcare. Here are some of the key areas they're focusing on. Number 1. Improving diagnostics. Imagine AI helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Google is developing AI models that can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and scans, to detect early signs of diseases like cancer. This could lead to faster treatment and better outcomes for patients. Number 2. Personalized treatment. Google is also exploring how AI can personalize treatment plans for patients. By analyzing a patient's medical history, genetics, and lifestyle, AI can help doctors tailor treatments that are more effective and have fewer side effects. Number 3. Enhancing accessibility. In many parts of the world, access to quality healthcare is limited. Google is using AI to develop tools that can help bridge this gap. For example, they're creating AI-powered systems that can screen for eye diseases using smartphone photos, making it easier for people in remote areas to get diagnosed and treated. Number 4. Predicting health risks. Google AI is even venturing into predicting health risks before they become serious problems. By analyzing large amounts of health data, AI can identify patterns that may indicate an increased risk of developing certain diseases. This could allow for earlier intervention and preventative measures. What's new and exciting? Google has been making exciting progress in recent years. They've developed an AI model called MedPal M2, which can answer medical questions with remarkable accuracy. This model has even passed the U.S. medical licensing examination. Google is also working on using AI to improve mental health care. They're developing chatbots that can provide emotional support and help people manage stress and anxiety. What's currently available and working? While some of Google's AI projects are still in the research phase, there are already some tools available that are making a real difference. Number 1. Derm Assist. This AI-powered tool can help identify skin conditions using images taken with a smartphone. Number 2. AI-powered mammography. Google is working with health providers to improve the accuracy of breast cancer screening using AI. What we can expect in the not-too-distant future. The future of Google AI in medicine looks incredibly promising, and here's what we can expect. Number 1. More accurate and personalized diagnosis and treatments. AI will continue to improve its ability to analyze medical data, leading to more precise diagnosis and treatment plans tailored to each individual patient. Number 2. Greater accessibility to healthcare. AI-powered tools will become more widely available, making it easier for people in underserved communities to access quality healthcare. Number 3. Early detection and prevention of diseases. AI will help doctors identify health risks earlier, allowing for proactive intervention and preventative measures. In conclusion, Google AI is poised to revolutionize medicine making healthcare more accessible, accurate, and personalized. While we're still in the early stages of this transformation, the potential for improving health outcomes for people around the world is truly exciting. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep an eye on my blog and YouTube channels continuing updates. The future of medicine is being shaped by AI, as are most other things these days. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.